Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a bikini try-on haul from the company Samiol. But instead of focusing only on fit and sizing, I wanted to share the energy of each piece, how it feels to wear it, the mood it gives, and the version of you it brings out. Each bikini has its own personality. So let's get started with the first one. This green gingham set feels very boyish and cool to me, effortless, relaxed, and a little tomboy in the best way. I like the plaid print. It keeps it casual and unfussy, but the fabric still feels light and breathable. The next one is pure candy sweet energy. The yellow and pink floral print feels playful, bright, and joyful, like something you wear just to feel super cute. The fabric is smooth and stretchy and fits nicely to the body. I like the high-waisted bottoms with the tie-on straps. It's very flirty, but still sunshine coated. Samiol is known for their unique style tankinis, which cover up a little bit more than your traditional bikini. This next one is a black textured fabric, which I find super cozy and warm to the touch. The texture of the fabric adds interest without being too loud. The bottoms are very modest, while the top has this plunging neckline, which still manages to remain classy when putting it on. And I really like the halter style. It definitely shows off your back. It's one of those pieces you could easily wear beyond the beach. Just throw something over it and go. I think this next one might be my favorite. The denim-inspired print gives it that sophisticated Sailor Moon vibe with this beautiful embellishment in the center. We've got cross straps in the back and double strings for the bottoms. I like how these bikinis aren't too revealing. They cover just enough to still make you feel mature and confident. The top is very supportive. If you're looking to stock up for summer, I have a coupon code waiting for you in the description. Our next tankini is a light blue piece full of Princess Ariel energy. The color is soft and ocean-like, and the fabric feels delicate and romantic, almost lingerie inspired with its lace feel. It hugs the body beautifully without feeling restrictive, and we also have a little bit more coverage with this one too. Dreamy, feminine, and a little fairy tale. How sweet are these shells on this heart-shaped neckline? Our next piece is modest and grounded. A triangle style top with a beautiful brown design and high-waisted bottoms. This piece also comes with a beautiful tie-on lace skirt. It feels simple, natural, and timeless. That's everything from this try-on haul. I love how each bikini brings out a completely different energy, and I'd love to know which one you resonated with the most. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.